Canadian farmland values have posted serious year-over-year increases in most rural communities, but lower commodity prices are expected to temper appreciation in coming months. The Remax Market Trends Report, Farm Edition 2013, found that limited inventory levels reported in virtually all agricultural centres continue to contribute to a strong upward pressure in farmland prices in 87% of markets examined in Western Canada, the strongest results in the country. Peak commodity values and low interest rates have created the ideal climate for expansion over the past 12 months, spurring an unprecedented demand for farmland. The primary drivers in the market continue to be end users, established farm operators, both cash croppers and stock growers expanding their existing operations. While there are many buyers waiting in the wings, momentum is often hampered by a shortage of farmland listings. Investors, both institutional and individual, are still active in Canadian agricultural centres, but have subsided in recent months. To date, percentage increases in land values range from market to market, with the greatest upswing noted in Saskatchewan, Manitoba, and Alberta, while prices in the Fraser Valley are holding firm. Cash cropping land continues to be the most sought after, with the greatest demand being for land without any buildings. Tiled and irrigated land for specialty crops are also fetching top dollar, and premiums continue to be paid for tracts adjacent to existing farm operations. Stock growers are also getting into the cash cropping business, with some in Western Canadian markets converting good pasture land to grain land. Private and exclusive transactions still account for as much as 50% of farm sales, with deals among neighbors commonplace. Some multiple offers have been reported, but most properties are moving at or close to fair market value. While demand remains exceptionally strong, there is evidence that cooler heads are now prevailing, with an increasing number of properties that did not move at tender or auction, only to sell for good prices on the open market, indicative that buyers are exercising greater caution and diligence. The lack of success at tender and auction may also provide a much-needed, albeit modest, boost to farmland listings going forward. Many centres have reported sales on par with levels 1 year ago, although the prairies have once again demonstrated greater momentum. Transactions have climbed in southwest Manitoba, northern and eastern central Saskatchewan. Residential farmland use was also noted as a growing trend in many Canadian centres. While some purchasers represent an increasing contingent of hobby or gentleman farmers, many of these buyers never intend to farm an acre. Some are intent on recreational use, while others are simply taking advantage of price point, proximity to town, favorable tax rates, and income potential. For the full picture, go to remax.ca.